Hey guys, good morning. I am, dang, you making a lot of noise over there. I'm talking to my sister,
I know
y'all.
you like talking with a little bitty baby in the background.
Anyway, so we're at Starbucks trying to get a coffee. I had some kind of caramel brulee thing like 2 days ago. Starbucks. That thing was good. So I'm here trying to get another one. And then we got a long day today.
Show me what you need.
Show me. I want to see
We
how
were-
good.
Who taught you that?
But you sung too, didn't you?
She was
So
not
let me
shy.
hear you sing. Show me what you did yesterday.
She looked real lucky.
You don't remember? But you was up there dancing. She probably saw them other girls.
I'm like, I said, this was other people dancing. She said, not really. I'm like, I don't know where she got that from. You
She was
did?
gonna tell jokes.
Okay.
She's supposed to be the joke teller.
Yeah, you're supposed to tell jokes. Well, we're gonna work on us a whole little Broadway set. We'll see how much time we got.
Yeah.
We gotta go. Mama's got an eye appointment.
But she made it.
She made it. Good. Yay. Yay. Good job, Noah.
It's like,
My face was like,
it was just like,
guys, go to the talent show. Sorry, you weren't supposed to see that. Noah, are you excited? All right, come on. We gotta start practicing. Hey guys. So I just had an appointment with the doctor, and I got my eyes checked, and I got them dilated. So y'all look like real far away. It's kind of blurry too. Anyway, so I'm gonna sit here and try on some glasses because he said that I should get a pair of glasses instead of wearing contacts all the time. So I'm browsing. I'm gonna be like a little nerd.
Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it.
What y'all think?
Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it.
No.
Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it.
What y'all think it is?
Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it. Baby, I got it, you want it, come on and get it.
Now where those at? They wouldn't dare have those in here, would they? Those are cute. Those are cute. Where are those at? Those are for kids. What brand is that? Now I'm just sitting here. My appointment is over. I'm sitting here waiting on Rob to come pick me up because they dilated my eyes, so I couldn't drive. So he's like 50 minutes away. So I bought my planner. I need to get do some stuff, some research and stuff online. So I get something to sit here and do that. I'm gonna go home and make tacos. It's Friday night. I have a busy day tomorrow, y'all. Like, it's gonna be so crazy tomorrow. It'll be fun. I'm gonna do some lunch dates. You know, hang out. I need to find Rob a Christmas present though. I know what I want to get him, so I'm actually gonna go look for it. Y'all like my nails? Did I show y'all my nails already? I think so. If not, they're cute. Anyway, yeah, I know what I want to get him, so I just need to go and look to see if I can find it. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I was like stressing myself. I was like, I don't know what to get him. I don't know what to get him. And he even told me what he wanted. But I'm like, that's something you can buy yourself. That's nothing special. So I do have an idea of something. So I'm gonna go get him something tomorrow. But I forgot about this app. Y'all know I'm on my weight struggle, right? Why is TV so loud? Like, for real. Anyway, this app that I used to use called, I could barely see anything. Anyway, but I used to use this app called MyFitnessPal. I'm gonna go back to that. Alright y'all, so I just left the doctor's well, the eye place. Let me not say doctors, because people are like, oh, are you okay? Is everything okay? Anyway, so my excuse for not cooking dinner is that they dilated my eyes and I can barely see. So I'm at This Is It. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick. If you've never been to This Is It, you are missing out. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I love me some This Is It. Ooh, cake looks so good. So I'm about to be real hood and try some chitlins, but I don't know what I want to eat. They famous for the rib tips. I think that's what I want to get, but I do. Ooh, pork chops. Oh, wait a minute. No, I don't know.